Sure. So when someone has an idea and they want to start a company and they want to build that idea into something real, they want to change the world by implementing this idea, they're going to need funding. And typically, you start with a small amount of funding, and if you're very successful, eventually you'll be creating a lot of profit. So when you first start out, typically the funding that you'll raise will be somewhat informal. We might call that pre-seed funding. And this, in the life sciences area, this might be anything less than $1 million. Once you have some success, you have a refined story, then you can go out for seed funding. This is to sort of get the idea a little bit further developed. We call that seed funding. And in the life sciences area, that might be anything up to 7 to 10 million. With that seed funding, you sort of show that the idea has legs. You really try to get the 3 or 4 legs of the stool. You try to get good management. You get a little bit of patent protection. You show what market you're going after, and you show why this is good timing for your idea. Then you can go for what we call the Series A funding. And in the life sciences area, this could be anything between 5 million and 50 million. With that, you might go to profit, but more likely you're still going to have to develop the idea. You might have to do clinical trials, for example, if you're developing a drug. So that would be a Series B funding. And this could be, again, anything between 10 and say 100 million or so. There could be further rounds of funding, Series C, D, B after that, or the company could go public and get funding through an initial public offering, or the company might actually be making a profit and not have to receive further investment.